So by now, I guess you already know, if you're following my channel, that I use RespectASO, this tool, when doing the ASO research for my new apps or to improve the ASO performance of my existing mobile apps. But sometimes, instead of using the application itself, I need to brainstorm about which kind of mobile app I can develop next. And in that regard, I am particularly focusing on the app title itself, because app title is by far the most important asset in your metadata when getting organic downloads. And the app title itself can be at most 30 characters, including the spaces, and it needs to make sense and it needs to be sticky and very easy to remember for the users. So if I'm brainstorming about different options, it is often the question whether the thing that I come up with really fits into 30 characters or not. And to be able to solve this problem, I actually developed a small, fun little application that I'm going to show now. So this is just a simple App Store title character counter application, which is very easy to use. I'm going to leave the link in the descriptions below, so you don't even need to create an account or anything like that. This tool is available at the website RespectASO.com. So you just come to the site and start writing. For example, if I just write meditation, then you can in real time see that how much space you left. Meditation word itself is 10 characters out of 30. I've consumed 10 only, remaining 20. And down below, you're also getting some additional insights. Check the title has 20 characters left. Add function words only if they make the name clearer. For example, maybe I put a space, I get a warning down there, fix, remove leading or trailing space, because we don't need to put a space at the end of the app title. If I put one more space, before writing the next word, then I get yet another warning down here, replace repeated spaces with single spaces. So I just delete that one so that I get rid of the error itself. Then maybe I'm writing here meditation timer. Then I have yet another space at the end, so that's why I'm getting a warning there. It at the same time says I have 13 characters left. Maybe I say meditation timer and toolkit, and I am at 26 words. What about I say AI toolkit? Then I am at 29. So by simply writing the app titles and deleting and modifying it in real time, you can check how much of this available space you are consuming, and so on. So I think this is very fun to use. If you are going to do detailed or deep ASO research, then you should still use RespectASO, because there are lots of functionalities there. And I am adding new functionalities on a continuous basis. But if you just want to brainstorm about app title itself, at this page here, you can try different things and maybe do a deeper research when you find something that really meets your expectations. That's it for this time. So thanks for listening and see you in the next one.